In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Zelle to Gcash. While you can't transfer directly between these two because they run on different systems, there's a reliable workaround using Wise as the bridge. I'll walk you through the flow from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening Zelle. Send the amount you want to move to your own US bank account that's eligible for Zelle, or to a trusted person who can pass the funds along for you. Zelle is built for US bank-to-bank transfers, so this step keeps the money safely inside the US banking system. Before you move on, make sure the transfer has fully arrived in the bank account you plan to use with Wise. Even if Zelle shows it as sent, some banks may take a moment to reflect the balance. Next, head over to Wise. Add money to your Wise balance using that same US bank account. Choose the amount you want to move and complete the top-up. Wise will let you know if there are any small fees for the funding method you pick and how long the money will take to appear. Wait until the balance is available before proceeding. Once your Wise balance is ready, tap Send. Select the destination country as the Philippines and choose PHP as the currency. When Wise asks for recipient details, enter the Gcash mobile number that's registered on the recipient's Gcash account. Take a moment to carefully double-check the number to avoid delays or a failed transfer. Then, enter the amount you want to send. Wise will show you the estimated arrival time, the exchange rate, and the fees before you commit. Review these details closely. If you need a specific amount to land in PHP, you can usually adjust the fields, so Wise calculates the exact total for you in dollars. When everything looks good, confirm the transfer. After you confirm, the money typically arrives within a few minutes to a few hours, depending on banking schedules and any routine checks. You can track the progress inside Wise, and the recipient may receive a notification from Gcash once the funds are credited. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Send a small amount first if it's your initial time using this route. Keep an eye on transfer limits in Zelle, Wise, and Gcash, and always verify the recipient's Gcash number before sending. That's it. You've moved funds from Zelle to Gcash using Wise as the bridge. Simple, secure, and clear.